Top 10 Easy Hairstyles. First off, you're going to leave 2 front pieces of hair down and put the rest of your hair in a low ponytail. Poke a hole with your fingers and flip the pony through it. Now make it a little bit tighter and secure that in place with 2 bobby pins. They should be pointing in opposite directions for better grip. Now take an elastic and tie it a few inches from the ends of your hair. This is going to make it easier for you to hide the ends and to play around with your hair until you're happy with the result. Stick a few hairpins in place, and now it's time to work with those front sections. You can either use a curling wand or a straightener to give your hair some shape. Next up, you want to bring those sections to the back, letting them sit nicely on top of the bun. Make sure to secure them in place with a few bobby pins, and when you're happy with the result, you're going to finish it off with a little bit of hairspray. For this one, you're going to twist your hair as if you were doing a ballerina knot. Once your knot is completed, you're going to pull it up this way and hide the ends of your hair. Stick a few hairpins here and there to secure everything in place, and this is the final result. For option number 3, you're going to sweep all your hair to one side and you're going to stick a number of bobby pins in place, creating a line. The first line you're going to create it by sticking the bobby pins upwards, and the second line you're going to create it by sticking the bobby pins the opposite direction. Now that your hair is nicely secured on one side, you're going to take the rest of it and start rolling it into a bun. Make sure the ends aren't sticking out, and then you're going to secure everything in place with some hairpins here and there. And that's it. This is the final look. For option number 4, you're going to put your hair up in a high ponytail and you're going to stick a donut bun at the base. Take little sections of hair at a time and start fishtail braiding them. Hold on to one of the sections and pull the rest of the braid up, and this is exactly what we're going for. Secure it in place with a hairpin and keep on doing the same thing over and over again. Fishtail braid, hold on to the section, pull it up, and secure it in place. Once you're done covering the bun, give some final touches here and there, and that's it, you're done. This technique is super easy to do, and as you can see, the results are pretty awesome. For option number 5, you need to bring 2 sections of hair to the back and start fishtail braiding them. For this, you need to take a little section of hair from behind your section and bring it to the opposite side. From the first crossing on, we're going to start adding hair, and for this, you need to cross your section first, add some hair, and then braid it in. You're going to repeat the same steps over and over again until all your hair has been incorporated into the braid. Once you're done braiding, you're going to tie your hair with an elastic and roll your braid up. You can roll it to whatever length you're happy with and then secure it in place with some hairpins or bobby pins. If you started braiding your hair from the very top, it would look a lot better, but I think this looks quite simple and elegant too. Take some hair from the crown section and tie it in a loose ponytail. Next up, you're going to make an opening with your fingers and start flipping the pony through over and over again. You'll notice your hair gets tighter as you go and it starts to get all curly. Don't worry, because that's exactly what we're going for. Next up, you want to place it however you like and stick some hairpins so it stays in place. If you're going for a half updo, you could leave it this way, but if you want to bring the rest of your hair up, you need to do another pony and start flipping it through over and over again until it gets all twisty and curly. Once you're happy with how it looks, place it however you want and stick some bobby pins in place, and you're going to repeat the same steps only one more time. Once you're happy with how it looks, remember to secure everything in place, and that's it, you're done. Put your hair in a high ponytail and roll the ends this way. Make an opening with your fingers and hide everything, hair tie included. Now it's time to use some hairpins to secure the bun in place, and that's it. This is the final look. For this one, you need to put your hair up in different ponytails and start picking little sections of hair and rolling them up in every other direction. Remember that the rolls need to be secured in place with some hairpins or bobby pins, and you can customize this to your liking by making it messier or a little bit neater. That's just up to you. And this is the final look. This one is quite easy but a little bit repetitive. All you need to do is take two sections, tie them with a small elastic, and flip the pony through. And now you're going to be doing the same thing over and over again. Just grab two sections of hair at a time, tie them with a small elastic, and keep on repeating the same steps over and over again until you're through with the rest of your hair. Now it's time to pinch on little sections here and there to make it look a little bit messier, and that's it, you're done. Another option is to roll up the braid to turn this into a romantic updo. You can secure it in place, and that's it, you're done. Take some hair on the crown section, divide it in three, and do a 3-strand regular braid. Tie it with a small elastic and give it a little bit more volume by pinching on it at the top. Braid the rest of your hair as you normally would and tie it with a small elastic. Flip the braid up, place it however you like, and secure it in place with some hairpins. And that's it, you're done. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know which hairstyle you liked the best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on my website www.patrickjordan.com. Share the love with your friends and see you soon.